Are you curious how long your frying pan should last? You might be surprised by what the experts say. Let's dive into the technical truths about frying pan durability. The longevity of a frying pan heavily relies on the strength of its cooking surface. Research shows that non-stick coatings, like the Ninja Foodi Never Stick, last between 2,500 to 5,000 abrasion cycles before showing significant wear. In contrast, high-quality materials such as multi-clad stainless steel and seasoned cast iron can last for decades with proper care. Our recommended choice for a lifetime investment is the all-clad D3 stainless steel fry pan. For those who prefer non-stick, the Ninja Foodi Never Stick Premium offers outstanding durability. Both deliver excellent performance for the 2026 market. To truly understand frying pan durability, we need to explore the construction of these pans. The all-clad D3 features a 3-ply design with a sturdy aluminum core wrapped in stainless steel. This combination prevents oxidation and extends the lifespan considerably. In the competitive non-stick category, the Ninja Foodi Never Stick employs a unique sintering process. This technique enhances abrasion resistance compared to traditional coatings but is still vulnerable to microscopic damage over time. Cast iron skillets, like lodges, excel in durability due to their self-renewing seasoning. This creates a lasting non-stick surface that withstands the test of time better than synthetic coatings. Another key factor in frying pan performance is the integrity of the handle. Our tests prove that stainless steel rivets outlast aluminum ones, preventing any dangerous loosening during cooking. Our extensive 2026 research involved rigorous stress tests on the top frying pans available on Amazon. For non-stick pans, it became clear that they last around 3 to 5 years before the risk of coating degradation arises. We also tested thermal shock resistance by subjecting pans to extreme heat and then cold water. The results showed that cast iron absorbs shock effectively, while a generic aluminum pan buckled under pressure, indicating that thermal mass is vital for durability. To make your pans last longer, avoid overheating non-stick coatings and regularly clean cookware with gentle techniques. A simple vinegar scrub can restore the shine of stainless steel pans. In summary, if you are debating between different frying pans, remember this key information. Stainless steel and cast iron pans are capital investments, while non-stick options are consumables that require frequent replacement. For our final tip, keep an eye on your pan's surface and handles. If you notice wear or looseness, it may be time for a new one. Investing in quality cookware means years of reliable performance in your kitchen. Don't wait. Upgrade your frying pan today and ensure happy cooking in the years to come.